Okay, let me ask you something. Do you ever feel unsure about how to truly please a woman? It's common to wonder if you're doing it right, or maybe what you could do better to really connect with her. Well, here's the thing. Fingers, when used correctly, can be one of the most pleasurable tools you have. In fact, some women can even reach orgasm with just fingers alone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use your hands in a way that will make her feel safe, seen, and deeply pleasured. I'm Dr. Mia Grant, and I'm here to give you a medically grounded, step-by-step guide on using your hands in a respectful and mindful way. So, whether it's foreplay or the main event, you'll have the confidence to approach the situation with care, patience, and real understanding. Let's break it all down. Understanding a woman's body is essential to creating a satisfying, pleasurable experience. When you know how her body responds to touch, you can connect with her more effectively, making the intimate moments much more enjoyable. Her anatomy is complex, with areas that are highly sensitive and responsive to certain kinds of touch. The more you learn about these sensitive spots, the better you can tune in to what feels good for her, ultimately making the experience more rewarding for both partners. The clitoris is the most sensitive part of a woman's body, containing thousands of nerve endings. While it is highly responsive, many women prefer indirect touch, such as around the clitoral hood, rather than direct pressure. The labia, both outer and inner, are also sensitive areas. Gentle caresses around these areas can help build arousal. The vaginal entrance is also an important area to consider. It's not just about penetration. Pressure around the entrance can bring great pleasure too. By understanding how to stimulate these areas, you can ensure a more enjoyable experience for her. The pelvic floor muscles are often overlooked, but they play an important role in a woman's sexual pleasure. These muscles contract and relax, contributing to the feeling of fullness during intimacy. Understanding how to interact with the pelvic floor can greatly enhance the experience. When these muscles are relaxed, blood flow increases, and this contributes to arousal. This is why it's essential to take your time, gauge her reactions, and adjust based on how her body responds to your touch. Every woman's body responds differently, so it's crucial to pay attention to her cues. Whether it's a change in her breathing, the way her body shifts, or how she reacts to your touch, these signals will tell you if you're on the right track. The more you understand and respond to her body, the better you'll be able to personalize the experience. Trust her feedback and always be ready to adjust based on what she's enjoying. Clear communication is the foundation of any healthy, intimate relationship. Right from the beginning, it's important to ask for consent and ensure your partner feels comfortable. Simple questions like, "Is it okay if I touch you here?" or "How does this feel?" show that you respect her boundaries. This isn't just about asking for permission once. It's about setting the tone for an open, respectful dialogue where both partners feel free to communicate their needs. Nonverbal communication is just as important as verbal communication. While asking questions is essential, paying attention to body language can give you a better understanding of her comfort level. If she leans in, deepens her breath, or closes her eyes, those are signs that she's enjoying the experience. If she pulls away, tenses up, or seems distant, it's a cue to slow down and check in with her. Being responsive to these cues helps create a safe space for both of you. Consent is not a one-time question. It's an ongoing process throughout the entire experience. Regular check-ins, such as, "How does this feel?" or "Would you like me to try something different?" ensure that both partners are continuously comfortable. These simple questions keep the communication flowing naturally, preventing any discomfort or misunderstandings. When both partners are actively engaged in the consent process, it creates an atmosphere of trust and mutual respect, which enhances the experience. Creating a comfortable environment goes beyond just physical touch. Consider the emotional comfort of your partner too. Is the space calm and inviting? Are there distractions that could make her feel uneasy? By ensuring the space is relaxed, both emotionally and physically, you help set the tone for a fulfilling experience. Comfort leads to better relaxation, and when both of you feel at ease, intimacy flows naturally. Preparation is key. From a clean space to the use of lubricant, making sure everything is in place ensures that your partner can enjoy the experience without distractions. Foreplay is more than just a warm-up. For many women, arousal is a full-body experience, not just a physical switch. The goal of teasing is to build anticipation. It's about creating a slow, steady rise in tension and pleasure. Begin with light, non-sexual touches like kissing her neck, caressing her lower back, or gently stroking her thighs. By slowly building anticipation with teasing touch, you're increasing blood flow to the sensitive areas, which enhances sensation when you get closer to more intimate touches. Once she's primed, it's time to begin exploring external areas. Start with light strokes over her underwear or skin, tracing the labia and inner thighs. Gently circle around the clitoral hood and avoid direct pressure on the clitoris at first, as this can feel too intense for many women. Use slow, exploratory movements to gauge how she's responding. Her body language will tell you if you're on the right track. If she leans into your touch or breathes more deeply, that's a green light to continue. Once you've established the rhythm, you can begin to increase intensity gradually. This can involve firming up strokes, adding slight pressure, or introducing more varied movements around the clitoris or vaginal entrance. Some women enjoy circular motions, while others may prefer up and down or side-to-side movements. The key here is to pay attention to her body's signals and adjust accordingly. Once you find a rhythm that works for her, keep it steady. Sticking to a consistent pattern will allow her body to build toward climax. When you feel that your partner is ready, you can introduce internal touch. Gently ask, "Would you like me to go inside?" If she consents, start with one finger and ensure lubrication is applied. The key to G-spot stimulation is the come here motion, curling your finger toward the front of her body. This area is usually located 1 to 2 inches inside the vaginal entrance on the anterior wall. As you stimulate the G-spot, remember to adjust the pressure based on her feedback. So, there you have it. With these tips and techniques, you now have the tools to truly connect and enhance intimacy with your partner. But remember, this is just the beginning. Every relationship is unique, and the more you learn about each other, the deeper your connection will become. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about improving your relationships, intimacy, and overall connection, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Join our community here at Dr. Mia Grant for more valuable insights and practical tips. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might benefit, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts. Your feedback means a lot to us. Remember, we're all about creating a space of respect, care, and true connection. So, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss out on our latest content. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to share more with you. Until next time, stay connected and take care.